Use ChatGPT's deep research to save hours. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most exciting new features of ChatGPT, its deep research capabilities. If you're in academia or just trying to get better at research, this is going to save you hours of work. OpenAI introduced Deep Research, a major upgrade that uses end-to-end reinforcement learning and real-time information to deliver impressive research results. If you have ever been stuck on a complex academic problem, like analyzing advanced genetic data or solving complex physics simulations, you know how tough that can be. Take a look at this. Deep research tackles these insanely difficult problems, achieving accuracy as high as 26% compared to previous models. That's a huge jump, especially in areas like genetics and physics. So, now that we know what deep research can do, let's test it out for something practical. Here's a classic ChatGPT experience. I asked it to write a literature review on sustainable energy technologies. It does okay, but the results is a bit basic, just a few references, a brief summary, nothing special. But here is where the magic happens. Deep research takes things to the next level. Set it to deep research. First, deep research asks some clarifying questions to make sure it's tailoring the research to your exact needs. It wants to know the scope, key topics, time frame, and even the structure you want your review in. It's like having an academic assistant who's really paying attention. Then after a few minutes, deep research provides this detailed, structured literature review. The AI follows your exact instructions, breaks down the information into easy-to-read themes, and delivers it in a format that's ready to go. So imagine this, you are working on a massive literature review, and deep research finds 40 references, structures everything, and even writes the first draft for you. Let's take this a step further. I wanted to test how deep research handles a more specific task like writing an introduction for a peer-reviewed paper. I gave it a prompt about advancements in bioinformatics, and once again, deep research nails it. Just in a few minutes, it's gonna provide you a solid introduction, complete with sources. If you're in academia, this tool will seriously change the way you work. Deep research saves you hours of writing and research, and you can start using it today. If you like this video, make sure to check out my other videos. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.